Here is a walkthrough of how to create your iClicker student account. So we're going to go to student.iclicker.com. If you already have an account, you can sign in right here. If you don't have an account, let's go ahead and sign up, and let's go through that process. First, let's find our institution. So we're going to look up Brigham Young University and click Next. Now we're going to go ahead and fill this in with information. And we're going to use our official BYU email. So this should not be at Gmail or at Yahoo, or heaven forbid at hotmail.com, but it should be at byu.com. So typically it's your net ID. For me, it is ishmerv@byu.edu. And I'm going to put my net ID, which is ishmerv, and I'm going to create a password. And then agree and click create an account. Congratulations, we've created an account. So let's go ahead and sign in now. Into our student account. And now we're going to register a remote. So if you look at your remote, on the back side, underneath the barcode should be a series of 8 numbers and letters. So let's go ahead and register this. So I'm going to register my remote. And I'm going to save that. Your iClicker remote has been registered. Awesome. So now that I have registered course, I need to add a course. So if I click here, add, let's look at Brigham Young University, find your course. Econ 110, Fall 2025. Look at, you're with Joshua Price, not Mark Showalter. So let's click on that and let's add this course. And this is a remote only course. Awesome. So let's get it. And now I am ready to go. I am logged in my course, and this will then tell me how I've done on the different things. But that's how you create an account, how you register your ID, and how you enroll in the course. Welcome to Econ 110.